Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Southern California. Cue the intro.
That's a GT cap right there, baby!
What are we doing down here in Southern California? Well, the R rate has been running so I hit up Alex at Sheepey Race and he said, bring the car on down, we'll throw it up on the dyno and we're gonna get that tune dialed in. One of the issues that the car was having is I raced a stock R8 and we were window to window like the whole entire way, and I was like, no, something's up with my car. So we're gonna throw it up on the dyno, we're gonna get some logs, we're gonna get the tune dialed in, and we're gonna get this car pushing its max peak potential with the current twin turbo setup that it has right now. All right, here we are pulling in to the Sheepey Race shop.
Turn left, then the destination is on your left.
Pulling into the shop.
Arrived.
We got the car getting ready to go up on the dyno. I don't know if you guys can hear me over all of the shop noise. So that was our first pull. 688 horsepower, 478 foot-pounds. Pound-feet. Wow, we just went up to 740 horsepower. So we were at 688, now we're at 740 horsepower, 528 pound-feet of torque. Now we're at 755 horsepower, 539 pound-feet of torque. Oh yeah, that's much better. Holy shit. Sounds so good. Now that we got the R8 dialed in, we're gonna take a quick walk through these cars before we head on back home. This Aventador SVJ is sick. Damn. We got the Huracan Evo Spider. We got another Huracan R8. This one looks familiar. Is this? I think I know whose this is. Oh, I can't remember his Instagram handle, but he and I have talked a couple times, and I think I know whose R8 this is. This R8 looks badass with the satin and the bronze wheels. White Huracan. This STO is looking pretty badass. Then we got this guy right here. I was saving this one for last to show you guys. Out of all these cars, this one's catching my eye the most. Yo, look at that. Check out this Nismo. So the cool thing about Nismos is they have slightly bigger turbos than your regular premium edition GTR. So they're actually able to make more power than your premium GTR. Oh, Alcantara. Oh my God. I never knew that the whole dash was Alcantara. Man. Dude, this wrap is wild. There's an astronaut, some cactuses, a jet, another astronaut. This is trippy. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. The car started out with 688 horsepower on this dyno. After Alex hit it with the sauce, we ended up at 755 horsepower for about a 62 horsepower gain. The car feels like it gained 62 horsepower, which is super awesome. I already posted it on my social media. People are already hitting me up. Oh, let's race when you get back. So we're gonna be hitting up some races once we get back to NorCal. Other than that, the R8 is still for sale. You guys know the numbers. Now you guys can see how solid this tune is, how much power this car makes. You know what you're getting. So if you are interested in buying the R8, please hit me up, DM me on Instagram, R8_burnt_rubber. Honestly, you guys, like, I'm so freaking pumped. Like, the car drives like a totally different car. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dang it, I don't want to sell it. Anyways, yeah, man, this car drives totally different. Now that it's all good, I'm selling it. Make me an offer I can't refuse. If you want to buy this car, that's what it's gonna take. You're gonna have to make me an offer that I can't refuse. We just got back from Sheepey race. Really nothing to post on the car ride home because there were way too many cars and there was literally no good opportunity to do a pull. And there were tons of trucks that were in the right lane and then they kept getting over into the left lane and there was just no opportunity. Now I'm on my way to go meet up with my buddy Garrett. He's got a GT500. We're gonna go check it out and we're gonna run the R8 against that. Let's go do that. Check out this and check out this. We got some random Halloween decorations. All right, let's go. We got the GT500. Hey, this wrap looks good.
Like it?
This wrap looks really good. Nice, dude. Hey, so real quick, before we run,
Yeah.
what's done to the car?
Just light bolt-ons.
Light bolt-ons.
Yes.
He's so full of shit.
Light bolt-ons.
He was literally telling me everything before. It's fine, we don't have to disclose it, but he's full of shit. Hey, I could smell that E85 though.
Yeah? That's the only dead giveaway.
Enough Mustangs for one video.
They're boring. You see them all the time.
I know. Now that's sexy. I have switched over to the GoPro car cam. I also have the 360 camera. Hey, for real though, like, I'm not really like a huge Mustang fan. I gotta be perfectly honest with you guys. However, that color looks really good on that Mustang. In fact, I'm gonna say something very controversial. The 5.0 shouldn't exist. The EcoBoost shouldn't exist. You should only have two options, the GT350 and the GT500. That's my personal opinion. Those cars put down the power. Those cars are powerful Mustang sports cars. Don't hate me. Hey, those were some pretty solid races. Like, I am pumped. I'm really happy with those results. What the fuck? We did those races and we drove out into the cuts. We took some side highway to start coming back home. I hit my maps and I said, give me directions to home. My map says, okay, you're off in the cuts. Here's the directions to home. So I take the directions to home. Look at where it put me. I'm on a gravel road. It put me on a freaking gravel road. Like, this is someone's farm. This is the road that Siri, literally my Apple Maps, just put me on. This road, it's gravel. We got someone's fruit trees back here. We got hay for days, but I'm gonna take advantage of the situation because this is actually a very, very, very unique spot, and I'm gonna take some pictures. So be sure to head over to my Instagram, r8_burnt_rubber, to check out these pictures. Check this out. What? Siri, what? Siri, what are you doing to me? All right, we're off the gravel road. Holy crap, Siri, what were you thinking? Oh my God. And by the way, those pictures I just took are fire, seriously. Head over to my Instagram, r8_burnt_rubber. They're dope, go check them out. And also, if you guys are liking this video, please hit that subscribe button. I gotta eat. I know I drive an R8 and it's an expensive car, but I also gotta eat. So if you guys could hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, share this video, leave a comment, tell your friends, you know, because when I grow, you grow, when you grow, I grow, and we all grow together. So let's get to that top together. There you have it, guys. The R8 is back. The tune is solid. The car is dialed in, and we just had an awesome race to prove it. Now, little cliffhanger for you. Garrett is installing a smaller pulley on his GT500. For those of you who don't know, that means he's gonna gain a lot more horsepower. So in the next video to come, me and Garrett are gonna do another race, my car versus his car, except his car will now have a shorter pulley. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, we're done here. This video is over. So please make sure to smash the like button, hit that subscribe, and thank you for stopping by, and thanks for checking out today's video. Catch you in the next one. I'm out.